brilliant idea how to disinfect your home if someone is sick. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. As part of your everyday prevention actions, clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces and objects. Cleaning and sanitizing surfaces in your home can help lower the chances you or a loved one will contract COVID-19 and lower the chances you might spread it to someone else. Keeping your home and self sanitized helps everyone. Clean surfaces using soap and water. Practice routine cleaning of frequently touched surfaces. High-touch surfaces include tables, doorknobs, light switches, countertops, handles, desks, phones, keyboards, toilets, faucets, and sinks. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Disinfect. Use diluted household bleach solutions if appropriate for the surface. Check to ensure the product is not past its expiration date. An expired household bleach will be effective against coronaviruses when properly diluted. To make a bleach solution, mix 5 tablespoons, 1/3 cup bleach per gallon of water, or 0.4 teaspoons bleach per quart of water. Trash. If possible, dedicate a lined trash can for the ill person. Use gloves when removing garbage bags and handling and disposing of trash. Wash hands afterward. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out 5 great tips to keep your home away to coronavirus. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with Bravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.